While thinking and remembering God, I, Satish Chandra Joshi, welcome you to this channel. Zero, 1 and Hexagon PCM help. As per previous video, part 1, we have three zeros in one line. If one moves or comes out one unit in left direction from left side 0, which is the ground state or lowest energy state, work is done. It becomes imbalance. To balance this, other one unit is automatically moved into or enter to the opposite side or right side 0. Thus immediately opposite or negative work is done and balance is created. So we can say left hand side of 0 is always equal to right hand side 0 in magnitude. We assume symbol minus sign for decreasing or subtracting, and similarly symbol plus sign for increasing or adding numbers. Thus numbers on left hand side are always equal but that of opposite sign to each other. We can draw a number line as below: minus infinity to plus infinity, 0 being in the middle. This line is never ending in both side or direction, having 0 in between or in the middle. Infinite units or numbers in between are called integers on number line. If we move out or take away one unit from LHS 0, it can be written as 0 minus 1. This in short we write minus 1 and both are equal, and thus we introduce sign equal for this statement and we write 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. Also, we say LHS is equal to RHS. In the same way, if we move into or add one unit to RHS 0, we write 0 plus 1 is equal to plus 1. Now clearly minus 1 is less than 0 and plus 1 is greater than 0. Therefore, we can introduce another two symbols, less than and greater than, and we write minus 1 is less than 0 and 0 is less than plus 1, or another way, plus 1 greater than 0 and 0 greater than minus 1. 0 is obviously neither positive nor negative. Numbers to the right side of 0 are with positive sign, but we avoid to put plus sign before these numbers. Now we discuss to increase or to add or addition of integers. Clearly minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and plus 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to plus 1. 0 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Plus 1 plus 1 is equal to plus 2, or simply 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here we introduce another term, multiplication, for addition, as adding 2 times 1, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This can also be written as 2 times 1 is equal to 2, that is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Here symbol cross is the symbol used for multiplication. Same way minus 1 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 2 can be written as 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Also 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, that is 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Let's end it here today. Thank you. Thanks God.